The magic begins by typing into our website www.iamsunbeam.org. Here you can browse about our offerings, take a look at testimonials, but more so you can become a member by logging in. You can sign up using your email or using your Facebook or Gmail login. This gives you access to our suite of courses. Becoming a member gives you a week-by-week play of the course, or if you'd like, you can binge it and have your learning in a specific time. At the end of each course are assessments, journaling, and feedback. If you want extra support and help, you can always chat with us, and you can also contact us. We allow a seamless process of customer service.